Hey guys, just another quick trailer maintenance video for you today. So I did a video not long ago about maintaining these wheel hubs down here on these trailers, making sure they got oil in them. But somebody asked, I guess I forgot to say what happens if you're low on oil, where did it go? So if it's not spilling out around here, I'll show you the other place it's going to go, and that would be a DOT violation, out of service until you get it fixed. So it's something that should be getting checked on regular maintenance and pre-trips, stuff like that. So let me just crawl under this trailer here and get situated. I'll show you where to look. So we're here down here inside of our brake and hub assembly here, and if you look up in here, you see the serration kind of things up in there, way in there. You put the camera up in there. There you can see it. That's your hub up in there. And what you want to see is if there's any oil or anything wet up in there. If it's just starting to seep, you'll see something wet, be oil. And if you catch it early, you could prevent having to get a new brake shoe. Because if you let it go, your brake shoe is going to get wet with oil, and you're going to have to change that. So the earlier you catch it, the better. Now, any amount of leaking is a DOT violation, and they're probably going to put you out of service and have to have somebody come out and fix it. So you definitely want to be checking these regularly as part of inspection. And if you run the thing dry, you know, if it completely goes and you lose all your oil, you're going to ruin the hub end and have a real expensive repair on your hands. So this also pretty much goes for tractor too. If you have a wheel seal leaking on your tractor, this is the same way you're going to find it. This one's easier to see than most because we got this big old gap right here where we can see up in there. Some of them aren't quite that easy to see. You gotta really peek up in there and get some light up in there and see. So I hope that helped, and definitely make it part of your inspections. Keep your equipment up real nice, and if you like these kinds of videos, hit that thumbs up button, and we will see you next time.